Getting ready for the plumbing inspection, first we just need to build these concrete forms for the shower drain. It's frequently called a tub box, made out of plastic, but we have all the scrap wood and of course the usual stubborn grit. We had to slide the shower box up and over the top of the 10-foot vertical test pipe, and now we just need to make sure that it'll match the height of our outside forms. More bedding of the water sleeve pipe and compacting it a bit. Duct taping together some of the conduit stub outs below where the kitchen sub panel will be, and a lot of leaf blowing, which becomes a reoccurring task. Alright, I got the box built. Not really a cloud in the sky today. Just put up some T-posts around septic tanks. We have 2 tanks. Back and forth through the woods we go for a quick lunch break to our old ranch house. After lunch, we're back at it. While we're waiting on the plumbing inspection, our son is back to cleaning out the perimeter footings. Sometimes I get a bit consumed with this whole building project, but then I look over and I see this 12-year-old digging like there's no tomorrow. We're not just trying to build a house, we're building the next generation. All these new red test plugs are going to help us get the plumbing inspected. Once again, we're pressurizing the pipes with 10 foot of water column. To avoid any air pockets, we're trying to make sure the water overflows before plugging the tops. These new test plugs easily tighten down by hand and the wing nuts don't snap off. We really only need the plumbing to hold water for 15 minutes to pass inspection. Good morning. Been testing the plumbing overnight. Hopefully nothing leaked out. The napkin is still dry. Thinking about climbing that ladder to see how much water's in there. Hopefully it hasn't gone down overnight. It's definitely still full.
Hello world, wake me up to another good morning, time to go.
These test plugs work very well.
Got that smile upon my face, cause there's excitement in the chase, this I know. Yeah, I'm going for the ride and find myself, I am alive, and I soar. Still I run towards the wind and let the challenge draw me in, cause I want more. Oh, we are all looking for adventure. We are all looking for adventure.
No problemo. I don't know if I have enough of this glue to make this joint. This glue is bad.
I agree.
I'm gonna freeze on this.